How to make turmeric, honey and ginger tea for immunity and weight loss. Weight loss tips. There are a few herbs that are renowned for their healing properties. Perhaps it could be a good idea to include them in your diet now, especially during this time of season change. The nationwide lockdown has been extended for a few more days in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak. According to experts, since there is yet no vaccine for the virus, practicing social distancing is the only way to keep the virus at bay. The virus has practically brought the whole world at halt, and as more and more people are waking up to the idea of overall health and immunity, many are popping pills without expert guidance. You must know that taking any random medicine without consulting an expert may do more harm than good. You could, however, try to rev up your immunity naturally with a bunch of homemade herbal tea. Again, it must be noted that these teas are no substitute to prescribed medicine, or a way to cure a harmful infection. But there are a few herbs like turmeric, honey and ginger that are renowned for their healing and weight loss properties. Perhaps it could be a good idea to include them in your diet now, especially during this time of season change. Our kitchen pantry is often stocked with herbs and spices that are more than just flavoring agents, and our ancestors knew it as well. In Ayurveda, you would find plenty of herbal remedies involving turmeric, honey and ginger. Let's try to understand why. Benefits of turmeric. Turmeric's active component curcumin may do wonders for your overall health. The rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the spice is good for immunity, skin and digestion. It also helps heal pain caused due to arthritis, and alleviate symptoms of cold and cough. Recent studies have hinted at turmeric's efficacy to manage obesity and metabolic syndrome. Benefits of honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant. In addition to being a treasure of free radical-fighting antioxidants, it is also loaded with antibacterial and antiviral properties that help ease symptoms of cold, cough and flu. It is also a natural energy booster and an incredibly heart-friendly food. Benefits of ginger. Ginger is a traditional remedy of indigestion, flatulence, and bloating. It is said that good digestion is key for weight loss. Ginger is also packed with anti-inflammatory properties. Including ginger in your warm drinks could help give you clearer throats and nasal passages. How to make turmeric, honey, ginger tea. Take a vessel with a cup full of water, add an inch of fresh root of ginger, a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric and bring it to boil. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat. Strain and serve. Now, add honey for taste. Remember, you should never cook or boil honey, it may lose all of its vital properties. Try this tea at home and let us know how you liked it in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a like and subscribe for more.